Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Tim Gravy Brown, and here we are on the second stop of the Smokes Poutinerie, world famous, Great Canadian cross-country plaid gravy train, fries, curd, and gravy. We're Wild and Wacky Poutine Eating Tour 2015. Fredericton, on the corners of King and York Street, right next to Simmons Family Dental and Tarps R Us. Plugs. This man right here, his name is Mark the Knife. He's the world's most dangerous poutine performer. Mark, do you want to demonstrate? Maybe not necessarily next to the baby, Mark. I'm warning you right now, miss. Keep your baby away from the buzzsaw.
We love smoke. We love smoke.
In order for you to win one of these beautiful t-shirts, you have to do the gravy chug. While this man chugs gravy, you have to eat this entire container of caramelized onions. We are looking for the world's greatest amateur competitive eater. We are giving away a free trip to Toronto. Magic wins, Magic wins. 43 seconds.
Remember to tag #GravyTrainTour 2015 for your chance to win a year's worth of free poutine. And hit subscribe or chase down the Gravy Train bus to get updates on the road from the tour.